Hello or welcome to my Android Final Project lab video, and I'm just gonna walk you through it. So in my home file I have the main activity and I have the detail activity. So two activities. The detail activity is what displays the movie, and I'm just gonna stop the application and run it. Sorry, I'm really sick right now, so I can't talk well. So I'm running the application, and once it opens up, so I'm gonna do that again, so that we can have, so it passes a JSON, like it displays a JSON response in a recycler view. So I made use of the volley singleton library in Java to transfer data, to also like send a request and receive a response, because I couldn't like use the one that we did in class. It was really confusing, so I was having several problems. So I also like on my Android manifest, I had to put in the permission so that it will run, and also the clear text traffic, which allowed my application to run. So I'll go through the layout, and there's the layout for the display activity, but fortunately I couldn't get this to show. There's a blueprint for it. It uses an image view. It's supposed to display the image, the movie title, the rating, and the description. Yeah, and that's the end of my lab video. Thank you.